Hey, this is Matt with Vulcan Gasifier, and this is our 25 kilowatt system. Here's a brief overview of the machine. We'll start out with a hopper. This is a 20 cubic foot hopper with an auger feed system. This air cylinder here is for determining the fuel height in the primary hopper. Primary hopper has 4 cubic feet capacity. This is the 2014 ES4 Generation 5 Gasifier filtration, cyclone filter, liquid cooled condenser inside of here, and there's the radiator for it. Has a high flow pump, 50 gallons per minute. This here is the hay filter. Sorry about the shakiness. And then there's the out port. Purge blower to purge gas to the engine. There's the mixer valve. And then over here by the operating panel is your air fuel mixture. This is your air valve. Here's the operator's panel. You got your oil pressure, water temp, RPM, and then air fuel ratio. Great temp, and then this piece here is your timer for your auger feed. You can control your time, and that determines how much fuel you're putting in the primary hopper every time it cycles. Then your basic system controls. You got the system on button, the blower, the auto fuel management system, liquid cooled condenser, engine on, the purge, the starter for the engine, idle mode, and then there's a loop mode for the RPM controller. This here is the ignition port for lighting the machine, and this is your air intake. That leads into a special preheat system to preheat your air. And then also the stainless steel band comes off this machine, and then you can access the jets externally without digging the machine apart or taking it apart to get to the jets. Back here you got the batteries. Our air compressor system for the air cylinder, then your gen head. We got our stairway going up to the hopper with a platform for loading, flare tube, and then of course the engine. If you wanted to make this a CHP, we could add a heat exchanger onto the exhaust for hot water, and then you can also tap into the liquid cooling for radiant heat and remote it somewhere else. That's basically it for the overview. I'll bring you upstairs so you can look inside the hopper. As you can see, I got it full of fuel. Hopper lid. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the system on and let the auger system cycle so you can see how that works. You just simply turn the system on. That's the air compressor charging. And this will go for about 20 seconds. Or no, I have it set for 40 seconds. I'll turn you a little bit so you can see the air cylinder. The air cylinder is going to... Okay, so it's not full yet, so it's going to charge again. And eventually, once this fills the hopper up, that air cylinder will bottom out, and it's only got about 5 psi, so it's not got a lot of, it doesn't have a lot of force. And if you wanted to add a little bit, that'll help the fuel flow down the gasifier too, and that might prevent bridging. But you know, that's part of the fuel management system. Here's the hopper shaker, and then the grate actuator. Keeps the grate flowing automatically. You don't ever have to mess with that. So that is it for now. That is the 25 kilowatt system. We're going to do some test running here pretty soon. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.